tell you something else. You're barking up the wrong tree.
You're barking up the wrong tree.
You're willfully barking up the wrong tree.
Oh, he barked up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree, McGruff.
Not barking up the wrong tree, chemically speaking.
Sorry, Mayor, but you're barking up the wrong tree.
Well, the police are obviously barking up the wrong tree.
English Idiom Challenge. What does bark up the wrong tree mean? Correct answer is to be mistaken about how to achieve something. Bark up the wrong tree means pursuing a mistaken or misguided course of action. Like and subscribe for more idioms.